Yeah, viewers, yeah, subscribers, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know New Link production there. And viewers and sub, you see New Link put on tonight. Alright, viewers and sub. Right now, the police them start up an attack again. You get me? Remember the other day, you know, after you see some wanted man get killed, you know, right, by the police, and you see a few bad man get catch, and you see a few scammer get catch. But today, people, today, Friday, you see me? 4 gunmen was shot and killed by the police in a community called Brayton in Portmore, St. Catherine. Viewers and sub. It is said that, right, the police get a call. They was informed that gunman was in the area in Brayton. Viewers and sub. So them said the police them drive and circle around the roundabout. And the police them enter a yard. Viewers and sub. People from the community said these man that the police kill are not from the area. You see me? It's like them are friend in the area and them are link up in the area. But them say when the police them reach, viewers and sub, it's like a movie. Gunshots start beat east, west and south. See, you understand, viewers and sub? When the gun shot and everything finished, 4 man was dead. 4 man was shot and killed by the police. 3 gun was seized. Viewers and sub. You know say Indy come and go follow up with them thing, viewers and sub. But the people them, as me tell them say, these men are not from the area. So the people them in the place, them don't know the man like that. But the police get the call, say gunman in the place. Viewers and sub. Me say all pattern thing that they like them a cook and have a time, they see me. But viewers and sub, who tell them this? A lot of things I will see are go on, you know. And people that think say, yo, everything cool, everything nice, and you see me? We tell them on them, no matter what you do in the park, you can run go there, so run go there, so you not go get killed. You see me? Because the police, them get straight, because the police, them know say only is a threat to them right now, you know. Because remember the other day, viewers and sub, them kill a police officer, you know. You understand? So the police, them take those things as threat, and police now go stop work till them get rid of them. Viewers and sub. Look into the year from the year start. From this year start, 2018, the police have been working significantly. They have been doing their job. You understand? We know many people are going to say, yo, New Link, and enough people are going to say, these man maybe are not bad man and the police them kill them. But the people in the community call about these man. See me? They know. And from the police, them go there, gunshot of fire. You don't expect them to go return the fire. The police have to protect themselves too. The way crime rate go on at Jamaica right now, it is very high. And if them can't do anything to control this thing, them have to do it to control it. Them have to lock off barriers and barriers. Them have to work. You see me? We not hope for innocent people get killed, and we don't want to see innocent people get killed. But when man a bad man and man a wanted man and a kill off innocent people, of course they should pay the penalty back of death. See me, I said, viewers and sub, look on the other day when you only put out the blog with that little man down there, that taxi man, where the man them does, so because them got to him for look of money and the man not give them the money, them shot him in the head and kill him. Look at those things. Eh? And you see, just like that. I said it could be even them the same man there too. Because you know, so when the man them do them crime nowadays, viewers and sub, in this era that them have moved to some other places because like them have connection all over the place. And sometimes them try to go in a some look a peaceful look a place now where you said no crime now go on. But the thing is, most of these places you can see they have them neighborhood watch there. So once and the people them say strange man in them place, you know what that mean? Phone call. Straight phone call them make, and once they make the phone call, you know, and the police, them are going to arrive, and these police who are coming up, they are going to come fully protected because they know what to expect. Because these gunmen nowadays, you know, viewers and sub, check out most of the killing that we see going with police and gunmen. If most of them, you know, hear say gunman was returning fire. Because they might do it for true. Because these men are serious, them people say, like say, them a think like the man them done in Afghanistan now, where things say there's life after death. So when them dead today, they maybe come back. Maybe that them a think because them a return fire. One time they hear say gunman a try to run and escape, but these men them a do what? Return fire. And once and them return fire, them a go do what? Dead. So viewers and sub, as when New Link said, 4 gunmen was shot and killed in Brayton Portmore by the police that's in St. Catherine today. And viewers and sub, remember that most of St. Catherine is under state of emergency. So you don't know what that means. So viewers and sub, this is who New Link Production, and you don't know we are going to the latest and the breaking news. So viewers and sub, don't forget to subscribe, and when you do subscribe, please hit that notification button. So as a New Link drop a video, you will get them. Viewers and sub, big up on yourself, and this is who New Link Production, big up.